Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Ken from Ken's How To's and Reviews. Today I'm going to show you how to change out a ink cartridge from a Visconti rollerball skeleton pen. This is a very special edition rollerball pen, but it is very easy to change out the ink cartridge, and it is the same in all Visconti pens. And really, most pens that you will see will be pretty easy to change out like this one. So you can kind of apply it to the all your pens. So a lot of these nice pens come with an ink cartridge, and you can buy them in packs of 2, and they have a special little number right here, 202, and this is a medium size. So you can take that off, set that right here, and we just unscrew the cap. And this is pressure. There's a spring in there, so kind of put some tension on it. It just comes right out. Now, I'll segue a bit here. If you want to clean your pen, you can go ahead and just unscrew the top. Comes apart. Side note. All right, put your new cartridge in. Really just slides right in. Push your cap back on. Make sure it's threaded correctly. Twist. You're good to go. New cartridge. We'll see you guys next time. Feel free to subscribe, and have a good day.